Welcome back with another video. We'll cover San Diego today, cover the top things to do here in San Diego. I drove 8 hours south from where I live and yeah, ended up here in San Diego. I'll make sure to cover the top things to do. So yeah, follow along, watch the video until the end. So just 20 minutes north of San Diego, you'll get La Jolla, and it's just really nice out here. Make sure you guys to check it out. Haven't been here in years, so yeah, it's awesome, really nice. A lot of people walking, a lot of people jogging and whatnot. Yeah, the vibe is really nice out here. A lot of people come here for surfing and diving, so it's really nice here in La Jolla. I love it. And it's like 70 degrees outside, so you won't feel cold or anything. Now let's go back to San Diego and show you more things to do. And we're now here in Balboa Park. Let's take you guys. Let me show you guys around Balboa Park. It's really nice. The architect and the vibe just feels different. So let me show you around. Although I've been to San Diego too many times, this is my first time here in Balboa Park. I hope I'm saying that right. So yeah, it's my first time here, and actually I was surprised. It's amazing. So now I just made it here to Seaport Village, and yeah, when you get here, make sure you're gonna have to park your car sometimes outside of the village itself, just because there's no parking. When I got here, I couldn't find parking. So yeah, when you get here, the first thing you're gonna see this bus that goes in the water. Yeah, there's a lot of restaurants, cafes, so you can always grab something to eat here. Planning to get something to eat here, and yeah, head to the next spot.
Sorry guys.
Yeah. Just left downtown San Diego again, and now I'm heading to the Sunset Cliff. Check this out. So if you're flying into San Diego, make sure you stay somewhere downtown San Diego. I would highly suggest that. Yeah, I mean, if you're driving, yeah, you can stay in the outskirts. But yeah, if you're flying in, make sure you stay into downtown San Diego, and you can just Uber everywhere else you want to go to. Finally made it here to the Sunset Cliffs. So this is downtown San Diego. Here it is. With this guy. So when you get to San Diego, you're gonna get to the airport. The airport is in the downtown area, which is really nice, and then you can Uber your way into So when you get done at Seagate Village, you can always walk to the kissing statue, and then also end up going to the Midway marine ship, I believe. So yeah, take a look. So now let's go on the ferry. So now I'm in line to go on the ferry. So now I'm on the ferry, and yeah, it's an hour ferry, so let's go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. We'll post more fun destinations, so yeah, make sure to subscribe.